Okay. Now I am going to teach the next question, unit number 5. It is student. That is derive an expression for density of states for different quantum confinement. Derive an expression for density of state for different quantum confinement. The same question may be asked in different way, that is derive an expression for density of state for quantum well, quantum that is tube, and quantum dot. That is also the same answer. This another question is derive an expression for density of state for quantum well, quantum wire or quantum tube, and quantum dot. That is also the another way of asking question. So now I am going to teach about this question answer. First definition. What is density of state? Density of state nothing but it's a number of state per unit volume, number of state per unit volume per unit energy around the energy E, around the energy E. Once again, what is density of state? Density of state generally is denoted by Z of E. Z of E. Density of state is defined as the number of state per unit volume per unit energy around an energy E. So that is a definition of density of state. The same density of state definition already I have explained in the previous questions also. Now we are going to find the expression for the density of state for different quantum confinement. I already explained what are the different quantum confinement, that is quantum dot, quantum wire, and quantum well also. So now this question only focus about the derivation point of view for derive expression for density of state. For that we are consider, first we are going to consider, or we are going to find the density of state for that is quantum well, density of state in quantum well or for quantum well, density of state in quantum well, in within it, density of state in quantum well, quantum tube, and quantum dot are the different quantum confinement where the electrons is going to be confined. So what are the way the electrons are going to be confined? By the different way, like quantum well, quantum dot, and quantum wire. First our focus is towards the quantum well, that is two-dimensional point of view. For finding this density of state in quantum well, they are considered a circle that is two. First you are consider two circle of radius n and n plus dn. That means this part is dn. What is the meaning of this diagram? That is are going to find the density of state in quantum well. Quantum well where the confinement is taken place in one dimension, and the other two dimension where the electron movement will be taken place, or the charge movement will be taken place. So you consider two-dimensional point of view, a two-dimensional circular part. That is this line, this circle indicate energy state. This circle indicate another energy state of quantum well. So within this circle, number of small circles also there. Here circle indicate quantum state. This is one quantum state. This is another quantum state. So number of more number of quantum states are there. That is energy states. Number of energy states are there. This is one energy state. This is another energy state. Within this region, there are also number of energy states are there. And within n, there is also number of energy states are there. So this is a two-dimensional focusing. So consider that is the electron in two-dimensional bounded region. Electrons are in two-dimensional bounded region. That means the number of electrons can be explained by n squared is equal to nx squared plus ny squared in x two dimension. N squared is equal to nx squared plus n. That means this is the number of electron. Then for find the number of energy state between or number of energy state between this n and n plus dn, this region, that is going to be find out. For that, first you are going to see the available energy state within this available energy state within the radius or within the region of radius, that is n, is pi n squared. That means the area of circle, that is pi n squared. Here n is the radius. Then similarly, the available energy state within the region, here it is within the region n. So now the available energy state within that is region with radius n plus dn. N plus dn is pi into n plus dn the whole square. So we are going to find the density state in quantum well. For that, our focus in quantum well is a two-dimensional point of view. That means two dimension where the electron's movement will be taken place, one dimension where electron confinement will be taken place. So available energies for finding that, consider the circle with the radius n and n plus dn. So what is the meaning of this circle? That circle indicate the energy state. Within this circle, number of energy states are there. Then within this region, the number of electrons are there. Sorry, number of density states are there. Now first, we are going to find the available state within this region and available state within this region. That can be find out by using this formula, area of this circle. So pi n squared, and here it is pi n plus dn squared. Okay, now we move to the next steps. That means, so look at this diagram for finding the number of energy, that is density state between these two regions. So for finding that, we are considering two-dimensional circle, and that circle radius n and n plus dn. Then what about the number of electron for this quantum well? That can be find out this. Why we use nx squared plus ny squared without nz squared? Because nz, here there is no electron movement that can taken place in z or the third. So by n squared, available energy state within the region of radius n is pi n squared, and n plus dn is pi into n plus dn the whole squared. It's that general formula, general method. But here we are going to focus about only the positive x and y. That is positive x, y direction alone we are considered. So in this particular case, this is a positive x-axis, this is a positive y-axis. Here it is negative x-axis, positive y-axis, and negative, that is here negative y-axis and positive x-axis. So all the three quadrant have some negative sign, but this is the only one quadrant where both the x and y coordinate are in positive. So now we are only focusing, or we are only considering the positive quadrant, the number of energy state available in positive quadrant. That means positive quadrant means automatically this will change. That is available energy state within the region of radius n is 1 by 4 into pi n square, and here it is changed into 1 by 4 pi into n plus dn the whole square. So focus is the second next point is we have four quadrant, are only considering the positive quadrant where the how many number of energy states are there, that can be find out. So how many energy states are there in positive xy alone? For that available energy state within the energy, that is in this region is 1 by 4 pi n square, and this region is 1 by 4 pi n plus dn the whole square. So now we move to the next part. That means the number of energy state between n and n plus dn is, between n and n plus dn is number of available energy state between this one is going to be find out by this one, that is 1 by 4 pi into n plus dn the whole square minus 1 by 4 pi into n the whole square. That means the number of energy state between the n and n plus n, that n and n plus dn region. So wait, here how many number of energy states are there, or density of states are there? So that can be find out by using this subtraction. So now here it is the common factors 1 by 4 pi, then n squared plus dn squared plus 2n dn minus n squared. So other factors are constant. So here it is 1 by 4 pi into this n squared values are cancelled, dn squared neglected because dn itself very small, dn is very small, so dn square should be very small, so it should be neglected. So 2n into dn, this is the number of energy states that is between n and n plus, here it is denoted by n of n bar n prime e, that is the number of energy state between en and n plus dn. Now we are going to find this value because 1 by 4 constant, pi is constant, 2 is number that is constant. So if you know this value, that is n into dn, you can substitute and further we lead this question into further extension. So we are going to find this value of n and dn. This is going to be find out by the next step. For that we know that, or we have a formula for finding the energy in two-dimensional box or two-dimensional well. Already I explained in the previous unit, that is I think it is unit number 1 or 2, that is where we discussed the energy of that is quantum well or two-dimensional well. Already I explained. So by this way the energy value is known, that is n squared h squared divided by, that is 8 m squared and L squared. This is a formula. N squared h squared. N is a quantum number, already explained. H Planck's constant, m is a mass of electron here. That is so it is this is a formula. So formula is E is equal to, what is E? Energy. Energy for energy of electron that is available in two-dimensional potential well. That is E is equal to n squared h squared by 8m L squared. The dimension may change, 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimension, that can be fully explained by this value n. 1 dimension means nx alone, 2 dimension means nx squared plus ny squared, like that. 3 dimension means nx squared plus ny squared plus nz squared. So that quantum number which describe whether it is 1 dimension, 2 dimension or 3 dimension, that's no problem. So here E value is there. Now from this n squared is equal to 8m star L squared E divided by h squared. So here n squared value known, but we need this n dn. So just we can going to differentiate this value, then we automatically get 2n dn is equal to 8m star L squared dE, the only variable energy, then divided by h squared. So you can substitute this equation number 1. That means equation 2, the equation 2 value is going to be substituted in that equation number 1. So now the equation is going to be changed. That is, the first equation becomes n prime E is equal to 1 by 4 pi into, that is 8m star L squared dE divided by h squared. This is a formula. So next for each energy state, we have that is 2 electron according to Pauli's exclusive principle. Pauli's exclusive principle, which state that each energy state have at least 2 electrons. So this can be changed into is 1 by 4 pi into, that means you can multiply 2. That means this 2 for 2 electrons. So 2 into pi, that is into 8m star L squared dE divided by 4 h squared. 4 is also, you can write 2 into 2. Anyway, 2 into 2 h squared, that is no problem. So this is the energy, number of energy state lying within the interval E and E plus dE. Now we move to the next. Our aim is to find the density of state, but so far we find the energy, that is energy state, number of energy state over, but you are going to find density of state. So density of state is denoted by Z of E, number of state denoted by N of E. That N of E over, then density of state is going to be find out. So now we are going to find the density of state. So before that we are going to simplify this. How to simplify this? Actually this 2 and here it is going to be 2. Then other values are same, that is 4 pi m star L squared dE by h squared. This is n star or n prime E, number of energy state. Now we are going to find density of state. Different is there, just listen. Density of state different, energy state N of E different. Number of energy state is over. Now we are going to find density of energy state or density of state. It is denoted by Z of E. So Z of E, that can be find out by using this formula. Z of E dE is equal to n prime of E divided by area. Now one question is there. Already I told in the initial time the density of state is number of energy state per unit volume. But here we use area because of 2 dimension. Because we are talking about 2 dimension. In 3 dimension means we put it is volume. Here we are dealing about 2 dimension. 2 dimension only x, y, or y and z, or x and z. Any 2 dimension only are going to talking about. So in that case, density of state is defined as number of energy state per unit area instead of volume. So that's the meaning of this equation. Now that is Z of E dE is equal to, the value is already known, n prime E, the value is 4 pi m star L squared dE divided by h squared, then into area L squared. Why it is L squared? That is 2 dimension, well, having side L. That means one side L, another side L. Area L into L, that is L squared. So this L squared is going to be cancelled. 4 pi m star into dE divided by h squared. This is a density of state. Here in this case of quantum well, density of state nothing but number of energy state per unit area. So now further simplification. This is the answer. You can further simplify and reaches the another formula. But in your note, that is Z of E in D can be maybe represented by this. No problem. That is Z prime E. But now we are going to simplify further. This formula is there. That is one formula, that is H cross is equal to H by 2 pi. H cross is equal to H by 2 pi. What about H? H is equal to 2 pi into H cross squared. So that can be substituted, that can replace. H is going to be replaced by this formula. Then what about this equation is going to be changed? That is Z of E or Z dash of E dE is equal to 4 pi m star into dE divided by h squared. Instead of h squared you can put this value 2 pi h cross squared the whole squared, that is equal to 4 pi m star dE divided by 4 pi squared h cross power 4. So this is formula. Then that is 4 and 4 cancel, pi and pi cancel. So the answer is m star dE divided by pi into h cross power 4. This is a density of state for the quantum confinement, that particularly in the case of quantum well, that can be explained further. We can change or we can simplify into this. What about quantum well? Quantum well is one that is expression about, or a method to describe how much position or how much coordinate where the electrons are going to be transmitted and how many coordinates or axes where the electron is going to be confinement. In this case only two coordinate axes where through which the electrons are going to be freely move, or electron or whatever the charge carrier that can be moved. Only one confinement where it is going to be restricted, or the electrons are going to be confined. Suppose in x direction alone the electrons is going to be restricted means, so here also consideration. So clearly understand, listen, that if we restrict, if the electron restriction or confinement is taken place only in x coordinate axis. The remaining two coordinate axes, that is z and y, through which the electron is freely move. So the net energy of this electron is E is equal to E n y n z or ny z and plus E n x. This is along yz coordinate axis, this is along x coordinate axis. The next, we know this is a quantum well, so definitely electron movement will be taken place along y and z direction alone. So energy state in y z direction is E minus E n x. So the previous one, that equation number 3 can be rewritten as z of E dE is equal to m star dE divided by pi h cross power, that is 4, and into the simplification one is there, sigma, that is into E minus E n x. This is a formula for finding the energy density, density state for quantum well. Here this indicate sigma, that is sigma E minus E n, indicate the step in which the energy is going to be increases. Step function energy, how the energy is going to be increases in the different energy states, whether the energy is higher in the next state, that can be explained by this step function. Now we move to the second that is part of this. So this is a answer for that is two-dimensional one. But here when you are substituting summation of sigma E minus E n x, then we no need to put the dE means the change in energy state. I already explained change in energy state, that is in E minus E n. So here you no need this d. Further here there is no h, that is h cross. That's all. So this is the answer. Already I told, that is h cross is equal to h by 2 pi. So instead of h, we can put 2 pi into h cross. That's all. So when you are putting this value, then that is 2 pi h cross the whole square. So here it is h cross h square, not h power 4. So this is for the two-dimensional potential well, that is in case of quantum well. Now I am going to teach about the next part, that is so now this answer the quantum well. I will directly explain that. Next I am going to move the next part, that means the second quantum confinement. The quantum confinements are divided into three parts. One is, that is quantum well, that over, where the density of state everything found out. Then second one is quantum wire or quantum tube, that is one-dimensional quantum wire. What is the meaning of one-dimensional quantum wire? Here the electron or the charge carrier are allowed to move in a single direction along the tube, along the axis of the tube, that already I explained the previous case. Other two direction or other two coordinate axis, suppose x-axis through which the electron or charge carriers are freely move, means the y and z direction where the movements are going to be restricted, that is the confinement. That is two dimension, two coordinate axis where the confinement will be taken place, but only one dimension where the electron or the charge carriers are move freely. So in such case, how to find this that means energy, that means density of state, that going to be find out. Here also we are going previously explained two-dimensional point of view, now one-dimensional point of view. So the number of electrons can be explained by n squared is equal to nx squared. If electron is that is allowed only in x direction, all the other two dimension or other two direction where restriction taken place means n squared is simply replaced by nx squared. So next we move to the energy. Here also the energy is going to be find out. Already we know the formula for finding the energy. That energy formula E is equal to n squared, that is into h squared divided by 8 pi, that is L squared. This is a formula, energy formula. That already I explained the energy formula same, that already derived. This difference is whether it is one dimension or the two dimension or three dimension, that can be explained by this n alone, nothing different. So this here also E is equal to n squared h squared divided by 8 by m star into L squared. So in one dimension, we are only talking about one dimension. And further, what about this number of energy state? The number of energy state is number of energy state lying between n and n plus dn is, that is equal to n of, that means n of n, that means n plus dn minus n, that means n of E, the number of energy density, energy level, n plus dn minus n, that is equal to dn. Then we know already this formula. From this formula, what about from this formula we are going to find. So what about this number of energy state lying between the two circle made the radius n and n plus dn regarding one dimension. That means n prime E is equal to dn. Then our aim is to find dn. Before that, you are going to find the value of n, that is n squared is equal to 8 m star L squared E divided by, that is h, that means that is all the other values are going to be numerator, 8 m star L squared E by h squared. Then now once again going to be differentiate. We are going to differentiate. Before differentiation mean you can get this value, that is dn also. But now another one method is there. This is value of n squared. From this how to find n? So n is equal to 8 m star L squared E divided by h squared power 1 by 2. That is the value of n. So from this you are going to differentiate this. So what about the differentiation? The differentiation result, the value of dn. You are getting this value of dn when you are going to differentiate. So differentiate this. What about this differentiation? dn. So constant values are remain same. What are the constant value? 8 is a constant value, m star is a constant value, it is a effective mass of electron, L squared is a constant, that is a dimension of that quantum confinement. Then h squared is also constant that you can take separately 1 by 2. Then here e power 1 by 2. So you can write like this n, that is e power 1 by 2. So dn is equal to 8m star L squared by h squared power 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 e power minus 1 by 2. That's the differentiation. X power n, that formula. So you can take this 1 by 2 into e power minus 1 by 2. So we further simplify this. Simplify this equation, that is dn, that can be rewritten as 2. So this 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So instead of 2, you can take 1 2 outside into 2m star L squared power 1 by 2. Then divided by h squared power 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 e power minus 1 by 2. That is, once again, then 2 into 2m star the whole power 1 by 2 into L by h, because L squared power 1 by 2 L, h squared power 1 by 2 h, into 1 by 2 e power minus 1 by 2. This is the value of dn. So next another formula, that is n is already this value of dn. This dn value is going to be substituted in the previous formula. We have n prime e d is equal to dn. That means n prime e dn is equal to 2 into 2m star into the power 1 by 2 L by h, the whole power 1 by, that's all, into 1 by 2 e power minus 1 by 2. This is a energy state in case of one-dimensional quantum wire. Now we move to find the density of state. So density of state is going to be find out. Density of state is going to be find out, that is Z of ED in case of quantum wire, that is n prime of into that is divided by length. What is the meaning of this? Density of state in case of one-dimensional wire is number of energy state per unit length. So once again, just to remember that the density of state definition is varies in the different cases. In the first case, regarding 3 dimension, density of state is nothing but number of energy state per unit volume. Now the previous derivation, that is 2 dimension, where the density of state is defined as number of energy state per unit area, because 2 dimension. Here it is 1 dimension, where only 1 dimension through which the electron movement will be freely allowed. Other 2 dimension or other 2 coordinate axes where the electron movements are restricted. So they are only length. So in this case, n prime already derived 2 into 2m bar, that is 1 by 2 L by h into 1 by 2 e power minus 1 by 2 the divided by L. So this L cancel. So 2 into 2m star power 1 by 2, then e power 1 by 2 divided by, that is 2h. This is another formula to find this. That means 1 by 2 formula is there. So this is a formula for finding the density of state in case of one-dimensional quantum wire. So further this can be reduced, simplify that simplification. Regarding simplification, we move to this is set of E B for in case, that means in case of quantum wire. Now any possibilities of reducing this? So now the formula is going to be rewritten as, That formula can be rewritten as, that is 2m, that is 2 into 2m, that is 2m star 1 by 2 e power 1 by 2 divided by 2h into, that means into this d is there. So d is there. Already we know that value of d. So here the value is going to be rewritten as, that means, so Z of E value is this one. So now we move for any further simplification is possible. So that can be find out in the next steps. So that is Z of E dE can be rewritten as that is, so Z of E dE. So sometimes some notes there is a Z prime. That no problem. Z prime or Z of E, no problem. Then no need about this d also. D already have. Then this is a final value. Now one such one important point is there. Already I explained that in each energy state 2 electrons are there. Each energy state, the two number of electrons is 2. So this automatically here another one 2 will become, that means 2 into 2m, that is power 1 by 2 e power, and that means minus here minus 1 by 2, no need this d, divided by 2h. And then you cut this 2, that means Z prime E dE is equal to 2m star for 2, that is e power 1 by 2 by h. Now one simplification. For simplification I have the formula is there, that is h cross is equal to h by 2 pi. H cross is equal to h by 2 pi. So from this I am going to drop this one. Then what about this h? Then h is equal to 2 pi into h cross. The previous derivation also we substituted this h is by 2 pi into h. So Z prime E into dE is equal to 2 into 2m star power 1 by 2 e power 1 by 2, then divided by that h, instead of h 2 pi h cross. So once again this 2 cancel, that is 2m star power 1 by 2 e power 1 by 2, then pi into h. This is the density of state in case of quantum wire or in case of quantum tube. This formula is there. So generally or in the whole, as a whole, you can write 2m star e power 1 by 2. Sorry, here it is minus 1 by 2, so no need to put minus. So this is a answer for finding. Then this also can be rewritten as 2m star, that means divided by e power 1 by 2. So this e power minus 1 by 2, that going to be denominator. Then into 1 by pi h cross. This is also the simplified expression for finding the density of state in case of quantum wire or one-dimensional the quantum confinement. So next one question, how this energy states are occupied in the case of one dimension quantum state. The energy states are occupied like in the stepwise, actually in the stepwise. So for indicating these steps, we can explain this Z of, that means Z prime E into dE, that can be rewritten as a whole. That means energy density state. This is the general formula for finding the density of state in case of quantum. And that means in one-dimensional quantum wire, the energy in the x-axis, z of E is in y-axis, then that energy state can be arranged like this. That means this like a step. Like that, that means this first energy state, second energy state, third energy state. Like that, the energy states are there in the particular case of one-dimensional confinement, or in case of 1D, that is one-dimensional quantum wire. Further, this, if instead of Z to brain, you can write like this: Z of E D, or Z of E 1D. It's one-dimensional. The density of energy state in case of one-dimensional quantum confinement, that is equal to 1 by pi h cross into 2m star by E power 1 by 2 into, that is summation of sigma into E minus En. That already, this is a step function. How the density of states are there, that is explained by this graph. Sometime here E minus E0 also you can put, but anyway E only. Then that means this equation can be rewritten like this. What about this? This is a general formula for all the energy state that available in one dimension quantum wire. That energy states are available in step, like this step. It's a step function. So this one-dimensional quantum wire over. Now the final one, the quantum confinement is the quantum dot or zero dimension quantum dot, or the density of state for quantum dot. In case this is actually zero dimension. Quantum dot is a zero dimension, where all the three direction where the electron movements are going to be confined or restricted. So there is no motion of the electron in all possible three directions. So there is no movement. We come to the conclusion, there is no movement of electron or charge carrier in any one of these three coordinate axes x, y, z. So general formula, we can write this general formula of energy, that is density state Z of E is equal to, that is summation of, and that is 2 into 2 into sigma into one formula, that is E minus En. This is a formula. Here this 2 for each state have at least 2 electron. This is the step function. Then sigma from what is the meaning of this? That is energy state of quantum dot from the 0 to last one, or from the first energy state to the last one, can be explained this formula. So in this case of quantum dot, there is no specific movement of the charge carrier, whether it is electron or positive charge. There is no movement will be taken place in all the possible direction, because this is a zero dimensional quantum confinement, 3 dimension or 3 coordinate axes through which the electron movements are going to be restricted. So density of state density of state for a quantum dot, density of state for quantum dot, that can be Z of E is equal to summation of n 2 into sigma E minus En power 1 by 2 or root. In this case here 2, that means number of electron occupied in each energy state, and the graphical representation of this energy and density of energy state is like line line. This is a arrangement of energy density of state versus energy state in case of zero dimensional quantum dot. So this is the conclusion of this question. So it's a big question, 16 mark question, very important, 16 mark question. 3 different categories are there. Explain in every time or derive this Z of E, that is density of state for the 3 also. So by this we conclude this question answer. I am going to meet the next question. Thank you.